If you don't like boring banners but still want to captivate your audience, then watch this video. Whether you're designing for a website, social media, or a billboard, effective banner design is all about grabbing attention and delivering a clear message. Today we'll share some essential tips to help you create stunning visuals. First up, keep it simple. You want your message to be clear and easy to read. Avoid clutter and focus on one main idea. Remember, less is more. Next, use high-quality images and graphics. Blurry or low-resolution visuals can make your banner look unprofessional. Choose eye-catching and relevant images to enhance your design. Color is key. Use a color scheme that aligns with your brand and evokes the right emotions. Contrast is your friend here. It helps important elements stand out. Don't forget about typography. Use bold and readable fonts for your headlines. Make sure your text is large enough to be read from a distance, especially for print banners. Lastly, include a strong call to action. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do next. Whether it's visiting your website, signing up for a newsletter, or attending an event. There you have it. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating banners that not only look great, but also effectively communicate your message. So get designing and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more design tips and tricks. Happy designing.